Welcome to Model Finder. Today we're featuring Tana Rain, a social media influencer and a model who's been turning heads with her effortless style and positive energy. Standing at 5'6", Tana shares a mix of fashion, fitness, and lifestyle content that feels both approachable and inspiring. Her commitment to fitness and self-care resonates with her growing fan base. From her fitness routines to her love for nature and exploration, she's all about balance, encouraging people to make time for both physical and mental well-being. Her Instagram is full of style inspiration. She often shares her favorite brands and beauty products. Outside of fitness and fashion, Tana enjoys traveling. Her posts often feature stunning destinations. Her content has a relaxed, authentic vibe that makes her followers feel connected. Subscribe to Model Finder and join us in the next episode.